Hey besties, welcome back to the chaos. Today I'm showing you how I go from I haven't slept in 3 years to oh my god, did she just get out of a magazine? First things first, skin prep. I moisturize my skin with something that doesn't cost much but makes me feel like I'm super rich. Of course, I skipped primer just like I've skipped my breakfast for the past 1 week now. Eat my foundation with the only foundation I have left because somehow my kids got their hands on my makeup kit when I was pregnant and thought it was something for them. And blending it in like I'm hiding all my regrets because under this layer, sleep deprivation, a little resentment, and a splash of caffeine. Yes. If you haven't figured it out, I am a mom of 3 girls, and yes, you have tried to sabotage this look twice today, but we're pushing through. Let's just get into this quick glam that says I got it together, even if I am still wearing my pajama pants. Got some colors to my face because that foundation flattened me out like my toddler's attitude today. If you ask me, I think this blush made me look way too innocent that no one would ever believe the chaos I face at home if I ever step outside with this makeup look. Okay, now let's talk about this under eyes because my baby thinks 3 a.m. is party time. So we are going to brighten, we are going to lift, and we are absolutely going to lie with this concealer. Just like that, just spray. Now, let it set. Now I'm going to tap, 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 dab, 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 and voila! I look like I have slept, even though I have absolutely not slept in days. Oh, this is my life now. I absolutely think that nose contour should be illegal because, oh my god, what is this? Nobody will ever believe that I absolutely just survived a 10-month pregnancy that destroyed my nose. Okay, now I'm definitely going to be sculpting my cheekbone because I need them to be as high as where my toddler's hands cannot reach them. But whatever they have, I'm definitely blending that contour into my headline, into my hair. Is it hair or headline? Oh my god. I think I've been screaming so much that I have absolutely lost my voice. I don't know what I'm talking about anymore.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn.
And yes, I have a toddler who thinks running around and screaming is my hobby. I'm going to be sweating a lot, so I definitely need to set this concealer into place. In as much as I'm going to be moving a lot, I do not need this concealer moving out of my eyes. I need to keep that under eye bag hidden, baby. Set the areas where I contoured my cheekbones, my nose, my forehead, because why not, baby? We need to keep everything in place, especially as an oily face girly. I need this makeup to sit. Like, don't move, baby. No. Bringing back that blush with another layer of powdered blush because the liquid blush has disappeared, just like my kids whenever I need them to help me get the TV remote or something. You already know I have to bake this makeup look just to ensure that positively, absolutely, it does not move, it does not go anywhere. Like, I need this makeup to stay on for a long time. I need to shoot some transitions and some other videos I need to make, so I need this makeup look baked, baby. And just like my girls, these brows are sisters and not twins, but today they might be cousins. First thing first, I am going in with a spoolie and a brow gel just to lay down those edges. Just to lay down those brows. I'm going with my spoolie and my brow gels to lay down those brows because I am going for something scanty, something very easy, minimal, something in my life just has to go easy because I honestly have it tough. I already have it tough already with the girls giving me constant back-to-back wahala and everything. You don't want to know, okay? This concealer is my favorite concealer, by the way. It is the Avon Cosmetic Concealer in the shade 820. This concealer is the absolute vibe. It covers up everything. My under eyes, like it makes me feel like that girl, the well-rested ones, the BADDIE ones, the one that absolutely have nothing to worry about. Just wake up and feel fresh. Yes, that is the vibe that this concealer gives me. Even though I have absolutely not gotten enough sleep in weeks, I still feel like a baddie.
At 29 and I find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be yours. One day I'll be yours. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life lessons come one in a dozen, the other 11 give something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. find myself wondering, what did happen to the last 10? I ran away with my life fast